move in harmony. May you speak in unison. Let our mind be equanimous, like in the beginning. This program, I would like to say a few words in context of yoga. Yoga is a very common word, but it has been divided into two categories. One is asana, followed by pranayama. Though there are elements of yoga, Ashtanga yoga, but out of Ashtanga yoga there are two types. One is asana and pranayama. Now let's differentiate between asana and pranayama and what should be done prior and why. Asana is a posture or a pose. Whatever we do remain in a posture is asana, like Savasana, Vajrasana, and these things. Asana is used to describe any physical posture, including standing, seated, reclining, twisting, and balancing poses. On the other hand, pranayama is not a pose, it is just intake of oxygen and giving out of carbon dioxide. What asana does, it strengthens our physical things like muscles, joint, structures. On the other hand, pranayama makes us stronger physiologically. P-H-I-S-I-O-L-O-G-I-C-L, that physiologically. So, pranayama is more important. Another thing I would like to say, if you don't know pranayama, don't do. Doing pranayama incorrectly will definitely do harm to our body. So, intake of oxygen and giving out of carbon dioxide in a proper way. In the process of doing pranayama, we would like to portray a message with the help of audio how Anulom Vilom or Nari Shodhan is performed. Anyway, let's start asana in standing position. 4, 5, 6. Let's come to next. It is also 2, 3, straight, 4, 5, 6. Let your posture like this. This is called right and left twisting of neck. Right and left twisting. Keep your posture in the same way. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very well done. So let's switch over to next exercise. I am not telling you the way. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. In standing position now, you will keep your both 4 limbs like this and try to touch your knees. Sorry, I beg your pardon. Elbows before both ears, clockwise and anti-clockwise, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reverse. 1, 2, now we are going to do trunk movement. It is also known as Prati Sakti Vikasa. 7,
शक्तियों
Now,
का आत्मा में
Tadasana.
संयोग है
Standing posture.
तन मन के मिटा
Let me tell you, for you adolescents, it increases your height. Hanging is also useful for Tadasana. So in this way, count करेंगे. On your toes, stay over there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good sit. All these are in standing position. Now we will come for Bakrasana. In English it is called the tree posture. It is for balancing. Look in front, don't talk. Maybe we will do it from right leg first, then left leg. See.
एक शाश्वत सुखदाई आनंदकारी योग है सत्यम शिवम अति सुंदरम कल्याणकारी योग है योग में आनंद है योग महिमा अनंत है योग में आनंद है योग महिमा अनंत है
Next one is Padahastasana. The hands to feet posture. The hands to feet posture. Slowly step and hold your toes. Hold your
भारत का प्राचीन योग ये योग सभी से प्यारा है भूमंडल पर सतत बह रही योग की निर्मल धारा है स्वयं योगेश्वर ने ही आकाश से
Never be in a hurry while performing asanas and specifically pranayama. We are performing asanas. Right now we will do Ardha Chakrasana, the half wheel posture. Keep your hands on your waist. Go back.
ईश्वर से सब संबंधों का जोड़ ही तो योग है सर्व गुण सब शक्तियों का आत्मा में योग है
Okay?
कष्ट तन मन के मिटाते करता ये आरोग्य है अमृत का वरदानी स्वास्थ्यकारी योग है आओ योग करें चलो योग करें आओ योग करें चलो योग करें
4, 5. Well done. So we have finished the asanas which comes under standing posture. We shall switch over to this is not coming under asana. And can rotate clockwise for 4 more times like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And clockwise 1, 5. Even we can extend forward and backward.
एक शाश्वत सुखदाई आनंदकारी योग है सत्यम शिवम अति सुंदरम कल्याणकारी योग है
And we can perform butterfly in this posture. as much as you can. Let's start.
अनंत है, योग में आनंद है, योग महिमा अनंत है। आओ योग करें, चलो योग करें, आओ योग करें,
Let's
चलो योग
Vajrasana. Contact hold posture. Cross leg. Extended legs together. It is best after taking meal.
भारत का प्राचीन योग, ये योग सभी से प्यारा है। भूमंडल पर सतत बह रही योग की निर्मल धारा है। स्वयं योगेश्वर ने ही आकाश से उतारा है। सार्वभौमिक सर्वकालिक साहित्यकारी योग है।
Artha Ashtanga called up camel posture. If teacher cannot perform, they cannot. Then it one. Students, come to this position. Keep your palm on your hip and go back.
ईश्वर से सब संबंधों का
Next one is called Ustrangasana, camel posture.
गुण सब शक्तियों का आत्मा में सुयोग है। कष्ट तन मन के मिटा के करता ये आरोग्य है। अमरत्व का
Sasankasana.
वरदानी
Remain in
स्वास्थ्य
such
का
posture.
योग
It's also called hair pose.
योग करें,
This one.
चलो योग करें, आओ योग करें, चलो योग करें।
Next, Siddhanta Mandukasana, straight up frog posture. Please come to Bhadrasana and bring your hands back and keep it over your below your shoulder and stretch. Okay, next, keep your both hands if it is not possible, not required even, one can perform it on chair also. Just taking of stroke is concerned. So, do it very comfortably and should be very at regular interval of time. Ready, start.
आनंदकारी योग है, सत्यम शिवम अति सुंदरम कल्याणकारी योग है। योग में आनंद है, योग महिमा अनंत है। योग में आनंद है, योग महिमा अनंत है। आओ योग करें, चलो योग करें, आओ योग करें, चलो योग करें। भारत का प्राचीन योग, ये योग सभी से प्यारा है। भूमंडल पर सतत बह रही योग की निर्मल धारा है। स्वयं योगेश्वर ने ही आकाश से उतारा है।
We have
सार्वभौमिक
done only 40 strokes, but it is advisable to at least go for 2 minutes, that is 120 strokes. So, now we will do Nari Shodhan. This is the last. After that we will do Bhamri. That will be ended. So, Nari Shodhan or Anulom Vilom or alternate nostril breathing. मैं जब each one
ईश्वर से सब संबंधों का जोड़ ही तो योग है। सर्वगुण सब शक्तियों का आत्मा में सुयोग है। कष्ट
propagated later on by Mahasi Patanjali, and seeing the immense virtues and goals of yogas, it was brought into the knowledge of the countries of the globe in the UN address by our Honorable beloved Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi. His proposal was received well. It was greeted with warm applause, and as many as 177 countries received it and gave it a go-ahead green signal with rapturous clapping. So in the year 2014, the proposal was brought into the UN assemblies. Later on 21st of June in the following year, I mean in 2015, it was performed internationally. All the countries of the globe are performing yogas today. It is the rarest achievement of our country and great diplomatic stint and coup of our Honorable Prime Minister. India has given to the people of the world a trick and tips how to remain mentally and physically fit. So in order to keep ourselves very healthy, we are supposed to continue this practice of yoga and asanas, pranayamas in our day-to-day life for our physical and mental well-being. You know the virtues are colossal of this yogas. All of you are appealed to perform it. Bring it in your habit. When you get up early in the morning, perform yogas even for 10 to 15 minutes. Then you do your normal work of study and preparation for heading to school. As you have several habits of cleaning yourself, personal hygiene and cleanliness, similarly it should be brought in your habit of performing yogas and asanas, because it is not a waste of time. On the one hand, it keeps you mentally fit, physically fit. On the other hand, it enhances your memory power, concentration power, and also contributes a lot to the storage of your patience. You hardly lose your temper if you are a regular performer, regular exerciser of yoga and asanas, because it controls your breath system. So inhaling and exhaling has a tremendous result on your metabolic function of your bodies and organs. Perform it, stay healthy, stay safe, and all of you joy. Congratulations to all of you on International Day of Yoga today. Thank you.
शाश्वत सुखदाई आनंदकारी योग है। सत्यम शिवम अति सुंदरम कल्याणकारी योग है। योग में आनंद है। एक एक शाश्वत सुखदाई आनंद